Welcome to downtown Chicago. In Chicago, we stayed at the Pendry Hotel, which is located in the Loop area at the corner of Michigan and Wacker. The hotel has an Art Deco style with gold ornate features, marble floors and hallways, and beautiful gold elevators. Our room was located on the 22nd floor and it's a corner king. When you enter the room, there's a table and 2 chairs, a dresser with a large TV, a comfortable bed, and on the nightstands you have both regular outlets and USB outlets. The hotel also offers 24-hour room service. A really cool feature of this room is that it has not just a regular coffee pot, but an espresso maker, complete with coffee supplies. There's a nice seating area with a couch, more outlets and an alarm clock, and a large armoire perfect for storing your things. There's 2 bathrobes in the room and a steamer. The room is well stocked with a minibar, complete with snacks, alcohol, and non-alcoholic beverages, including coffee. Have glasses if you'd like to make a cocktail, and an in-room safe. The bathroom has beautiful marble floors and a large vanity. They also offer high-end toiletries for your use during your stay. The coolest feature of this room is the shower. The shower has the most amazing view I've ever seen from a shower, complete with a view of Lake Michigan. Now you can see into the apartments across the street, but you're mostly just going to see video games or the movie that they're watching, and the shower luckily steams up pretty quickly. The views are just incredible from each window of this room. Thanks for watching. We highly recommend the Pendry.